is the 1323 South Western Railway Arterio service to London Waterloo via Richmond, calling at Datchet, Sunnymeads, Wraysbury, Staines, Ashford, Surrey, Feltham, Whitton, Twickenham, Richmond, Putney, Clapham Junction, Vauxhall and London Waterloo. This train has 10 carriages. Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling to Datchet or Wraysbury, you will need to travel in the front 8 carriages of the train. If you are travelling to Sunnymeads, you will need to travel in the front 7 carriages of the train. Please note, some of the lifts at Clapham Junction are currently out of service. Please speak to a member of staff if you need further assistance.